So I met Charlie in a transitional home shortly after he was released from jail, and we immediately started working together on a plan. So assessing where he was at, what his needs were, what his capabilities were.
Well, the reason I had so much trouble getting a job is that I have a record now, and I got out in October of last year, trying to rebuild my life. I had lost everything. Completely demolished everything I had, and I had to start off from scratch. I got a few interviews, but as soon as they got my background, I was rejected over and over again, and I was looking at just any jobs at that point. And thank God there's veteran services available. It was Darrell and the Lexington Career Center that guided me to this job that I finally have, and it's getting me back on my feet.
It's just super rewarding to work with folks, and you do develop relationships with some of the folks you work with. Coming out of certain situations, they don't have friends anymore. Family may be shunning them, whatever the case may be, and so it's an opportunity to work with employers to get him that second chance that he deserves.
I couldn't be more grateful. I don't know anybody who has worked harder for me than Darrell. If you're a veteran in need of a job or anything, I highly recommend visiting any of your local Kentucky Career Centers, and I guarantee they'll go out of their way to help you. They certainly help you.